Yeah.
My friend Priscilla, he's from Britain.
Hello, Leon.
J-Dubs,
I just waved at the screen even though
Waving when your camera's not on. That's brilliant.
One of my favorite YouTubers, she absolutely never uses face cam because she doesn't see the point in it.
I actually kind of like the idea of face cam.
I do too.
I can see the use for it, but when you're playing a game, it tends to get in the way of some things.
Well,
all the time.
Like the health meter.
Health meter or specific
it's always
item.
in the way of something.
You have a ball on your face.
I know.
You like them balls in your face?
No. I punched my mic.
Poke.
Also, for those of you watching my channel that see my friends list, all of them are...
Recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
I'm
What are you on about? Oh no.
Hello everyone, this is Necrosylum and I'm recording. These are my friends, JWWT4, Jesse, or Umbreon, Jesse, and Porson.
Yeah, there's two Jessies in the call.
Close enough.
Well, what is J-Dubs doing?
Spinning right round like a record, baby. Spinning around and apparently lagging.
Very good.
I'm gonna make myself sick.
Dude, stop spinning. Why don't you show us your guns?
That could be interpreted in more ways than one.
No, I'm legitimately serious. Dude.
Oh.
Well, there goes JW.
That moment when J-Dub starts breakdancing. That'll be the day.
And there's his rifle.
Sniping is a good job, mate.
You can do that so well. He's taking positions. I think JW is suffering from some PTSD after playing some Infinite Warfare.
The
Horror!
horrors of any COD game.
It's like, stay away.
Wait, this is my bayonet.
Pixely mine pickaxe. Pixely pickaxe versus knife gun.
Now I'm on my pickaxe.
What are you poking the camera with?
Hey, Priscilla, I think I'm just gonna take your point of view again. Look how tiny this is.
Insert heavy weapons guy reference here.
I have yet to meet one that can outsmart a bullet.
What's me?
That is the cutest tiny gun I've ever seen.
I've yet to meet one that can outsmart bullet.
It's just a tiny bullet. Nice.
Having fun with that jerky?
Uh-huh.
You love eating the meat, huh?
I got candy canes too.
Sucking on those long shafts?
Well, so much for family friendly.
Yeah, there's our PG rating.
And just cut me out on that one.
Battlefield 1!
Oh
Yeah.
my goodness, that is sweet.
It is made of glass.
It's plexiglass.
Same
Yeah.
thing. Arr, matey.
You do not want me to do this. I'll still your soul.
Nar. Purposely, he's just gonna choke to death.
No, well, I'm drinking, dude.
You should have thought twice before bringing a drink to this Skype call.
Well, to be honest, I could go for another, or I could actually go for a drink. It's not too far away.
Quick, somebody say something to make him spit his coffee out.
Wow.
You look like you're smoking it.
I know. That's my point.
First, I actually had a friend. He used to snort pixie sticks.
What? Why?
Apparently, it gave him a high.
Wow, pixie dust got a new meaning.
I just muted my mic by accident.
Do you have a full candy cane there? Smoke it. Smoke the candy cane. Oh.
This is awful.
You have an MLT Christmas?
Right? Oh dear.
That's pretty much what's gonna go on with this.
The Republic has arrived.
They've come to take your candy canes away.
Dang it.
They're gonna confiscate your pixie sticks.
No. Not my pixie sticks. Anything but those.
You know, it's actually, I actually learned this is a pretty good save.
Spoiler alert, Yoda is actually the Grinch.
There's that person behind you again.
That's my sister. Is that what I think it is?
Yes, it is Lego.
That's... No. I have no idea what that is. Okay. Water is good water.
Well, of course.
Oh no, Battlefield 1 has arrived.
Hope you Battlefield 1.
A wild, blurry thing has appeared. Oh, there we go. They're not doing War Thunder anymore.
Yep. Seems like Battlefield 1 in a nutshell to me.
Yeah. Oh, well, that's real.
Oh my
Oh,
god,
wow,
I don't know
really?
who that is.
I use Mercy.
If it's a spoiler, don't spoil it. I'm still playing through it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, too late.
That's the biggest spoiler of all.
I have no idea who that is, though.
Oh, here we go again.
Oh,
Here we
I'm
go
working
again.
on the fun.
What is that face?
Ow!
You sprained your face, dude? Really?
Slow clap.
Oh, this is why I love hanging out with friends.
At least I didn't hurt my balls.
You do remember that, right, Soyan?
Yes, of course I remember it. That was the best bit of the whole thing. A wild pickaxe appeared. Oh, pickaxe wars! Oh,
Good.
show off.
But wait, does your pickaxe have sharpness 5, Brian?
Why would it? You can't get sharpness 5 on a pickaxe.
You can't get sharpness on foam. Foam doesn't work that way.
I actually know someone who is actually able to sharpen Minecraft phone weapons to the point that they could, in fact, act like the actual things.
Well, I know that.
Ah.
I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with.
Oh my god,
They
it's
actually made
a
the
sword axe. It's a pick sword. It's a pick sword.
It's a pick sword. It's a paxel.
It is then.
We're now playing a mod pack.
Oh, great.
If there are any Minecraft modders watching,
Axle broke.
mod this in.
Where?
All it relies on is a texture pack. And
Are you
a
sword
ton of
swallowing?
command. Yes, he is. Hey, a wild berserker has appeared. Welcome to the
Oh.
Behold, mortals.
Turn on your face cam now.
See here, that is a computer, Billy Libby. That's just the picture of an AI. That's not important right now. Liberal, ignore him. This one up here, Procedial, him. That guy, he's just some homeless guy who's borrowing an internet cafe's a computer right now. J-Dubs, yeah, that's J-Dubs, and that's Umbriano.
Hi.
Oh yes, J-Dubs is a redneck. Hence the
From the
gun.
West Coast.
Show off your shotgun, dude. 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 Show off your shotgun, dude.
Hear that the song they play, plug it in whenever someone goes to the electric chair.
So, who's gonna break the news to Berserker?
Oh no, am I a dad?
Worse.
Yes, it's yours
Oh,
and JW's.
No.
Wow.
Oh.
We're
my.
actually recording this. Welcome to the fun.
Welcome to hell.
This is our annual Christmas Skype call.
It wasn't my choice.
It all started when Priscilla and I secretly recorded our Skype call.
Like, you're on camera.
The bad news is you have to do it with Umbreon.
What?
Uh-oh. The Zorwalk is yipping again.
Sandy, come here, Sandy. Hey, puppy. I want to show you my puppy. Hey, Sandy. Come here, Sandy. Say the camera.
Oh my god!
Oh, baby, a triple.
You want to know what's really bad? Not too long ago, I was actually watching a video, and
Hold on.
in the game, you could actually have this little character, or this little girl character, lick a mushroom, and she got high off of it.
What was this game?
Silence. That new game that came, or that new indie game, Silence, that came out.
I didn't know about that. You've gotten Priscillion interested.
Shut up.
It's the funniest thing because you can lick it once, she'll get high for a couple of seconds, lick it again, she'll get high again.
What kind of games do you play?
The best
I
kind.
wasn't playing this. I just told you I was watching someone else play it.
What is wrong with you?
The screen distorted so that it was shinier.
Shiny.
Oh, shiny.
Shiny.
I'm so high right now.
Shiny.
The episode where J-Dubs is missing half the time.
Well,
What makes a change from it being MD?
well,
Yeah.
he's usually busy, so it's his own fault for missing out.
Busy.
A little bit. So I spent half of yesterday doing my best to digitally draw a furry.
Yay.
Those, what were they? Jalapeno chips at Haim G. Andrews, they do not do justice. They taste like sunflower.
Yeah, they do.
I was so
How did we go
disappointed.
from furries to jalapeno chips?
Oh, you're talking about furries? Rewind right now.
I don't think Priscillion gets it.
So,
I think we lost Priscillion somewhere out.
okay.
I'm
so
always
imagine-
lost. That is my default state.
Brazilian. Imagine a chip plant, right? And the person who was hired to do the flavoring was a retarded feminist. I'm just using feminist because I'm really salty at them at the moment for certain reasons. And instead of putting in a jalapeno flavoring like she was told to do, she goes off on one of her liberal rants and puts in sunflower seed seasoning. That's what it was like.
Here come
It
all
was
the haters.
disgusting. Yes.
Yeah.
Bring it on!
Hate me
all
all
you
you was. I don't mind so much that I don't
Hey.
mind tasting
No,
sunflower.
oh,
Pillowhead!
It's Pillowhead.
it's Pillow
The
Man.
return of Pillowhead.
Pillow Man.
Just put a random piece of everyday appliance on your head and then call it something.
Appliance man.
I'm gonna be
I'm gonna chuck
gonna
a
be
dishwasher
toaster.
at your face.
I'm gonna be toaster in bathtub man.
Oh, somebody's gonna draw that.
Somebody's gonna be triggered. By the way, all you haters, you want to get at American Berserker, his channel will be in the description down below. Have fun!
Just stick me outside the
Just
spawn door.
Send all the haters his way.
I just threw you under the bus then.
Send all the haters his way. This is what you get for joining our call. Even though you were invited.
Is that the same piece of jerky, or did you get another?
If that's the same one.
That's fair.
I swear, if that's the same
You'll
one.
never tell.
He's enjoying his jerky too much.
He's enjoying the meat a little bit too much.
Speaking of dark side, hold on. I have decapitated him.
I'm pretty sure Kylo Ren's gonna want that back.
One in this game, Star Wars I forget what Battlefront it was, but I was playing the PSP version of it, and in it there was a shotgun-like weapon, and I was thinking, crap, what was I thinking? Right, Jedi and Sith can deflect bullets. They can deflect multiple bullets, but not at one time. So if there was a shotgun weapon, which there is in the Star Wars universe, how could they block all those pellets at once?
They can't.
Exactly. So has anyone, like in the history of Jedi, the thousands and thousands of years, of
Ever
canon
thought to use a
over
freaking
history-
shotgun?
Exactly. Against the Jedi.
Well, here's the other thing. They could use the Force and repel the bullets back.
Okay, yeah, Kylo Ren, I guess, did that with one laser shot, and it has been known to happen, but, I mean, how many times do you see it? And in the heat of battle, you're not really thinking about doing that because from what I
Once.
hear, it takes a whole lot of Force energy.
You saw it
Round
once.
one, you'd probably lose, but out of the multiples, you'd probably win.
Okay.
This sounds like something that Fact Free would do.
Hey, game
Probably.
theory, get on this.
Yeah,
Right?
Yeah, boy.
Honey?
Quiet assistance.
Boom cuffs.
Akamites, get out of there! But
He could do such a great medic impression.
MD can do a pretty good spy.
gentlemen,
Yeah.
I've seen
Gentlemen.
so many funny parodies about the spy thingy.
Yeah, expiration date.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on. Start it.
You are nothing but a bunch of maggots.
No, do this skit. Like, start out as spy.
Trying to remember. I'm trying to remember.
Does anyone remember how that goes?
I don't.
Oh,
Wait,
wait,
man.
It's been a while since I've watched it.
oh hey!
Is a
Miss
bucket.
Holland?
Dear
This
God.
is a bucket.
Oh, that.
Dear God.
There's more.
This.
No.
That's one of the only parts I remember.
That's the only part I know.
Well, then there's the one where it's
That
all
is a
about-
perfect soldier hat, by the way.
This language is from Scout. He has a
What?
picture of me getting hit by a car. There is something resonating off my body. Yeah, those are stink lines. There is me having sexual congress, the Eiffel Tower. There is the Eiffel Tower having sexual congress with me. Both of us have stick lines. Did anyone other than Scout put a dying wish into the bucket?
Yes, soldier.
I want the bucket.
Do you have a bucket there? You should so get a bucket.
I've done nothing but teleport rent for 3 days.
Oh, you don't have a bucket? You should get a bucket. I only remember one other bit. Everything you just said was insane. And we are out of time. Congratulations. You're a failure.
No, you're forgetting the biggest
Why are
one.
you looking at me?
You're forgetting the biggest one.
Seduce.
Seduce me.
I am not one of your
You heard it.
chicken
Get
bucket
on it.
tramps.
I am not one of your fried chicken tramps. I am a woman. Mysterious. Beautiful. You want to be my lover? You have to earn it. Seduce me.
And from that day forward, any one time when a bunch of animals are in the blah, 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 blah.
It's
From
called
that
a
day
zoo.
forward, whenever there's more than one animal, the place is called a zoo. Unless it's a farm.
Unless it's a farm. This is a rough.
I remember the day when we had to go down to a building to play video games. To get it for free, we had to pay actual money.
It's sad when we're all like around 20 something, and we're just feeling like, oh my goodness, this generation doesn't know a damn thing, and we're feeling like older people just because
Did
of that.
this generation get born with like 30 times less brain cells or something?
Oh, that wouldn't surprise me. That wouldn't surprise me at all.
Eh.
When I got the top score in Super Metroid, my name was always A with 2 S's.
Oh, remember the days when you could name your Pokemon that?
I know, right? Hey, you can't do that anymore.
Yeah.
J-Dubs, your connection is killing everything.
I got no problems.
Yeah, that's true.
What are you talking about?
By the way, we've been in this call for about an hour.
Yeah, I think it's time we end it.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, don't leave us like this.
Half
Like
put
we do.
description.
Hold on.
Everyone sounds like robots.
I know.
Yep.
I'll
Put in the
put this out.
description and
Alright.
stay tuned to the end for a special guest star of the American Berserker. Yeah, because I missed all.
Alright, J-Dubs, take us out.
Alright, so thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, please hit that like button from wherever they're going to move to. And hit that subscribe button as well for all of our channels.
Happy Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Christmas and the Marys.
If you made it to the end of this video, congratulations to you.
You have no life.
You have even less life than we do.
Look at
Bye-bye.
that. The stairs is not comfortable here.
That looks like the inside of a face hugger.
Alright.
Show off your shotgun, dude. 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 Show off your shotgun, dude.